Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Urvashi, and in today's video I'm going to talk about string variables, and this will be the part 2 of Figma variable tutorial series. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's begin. So first of all, I will tell you why we use string variables in our designs. So we use string variables for the content and for all the text that we are using in our designs. If we are using same content at multiple places, then it is very useful because when we change something in our local variables, it will automatically reflect to our designs. So we don't have to change it manually. I will start by creating a very simple card, and for that I will just take the title and description first. Title and description. Let's just create a lot of some sentences here. Okay, so let's give it a size of 12 and font weight of regular. Now I will just add a auto layout. Okay, now what I will do is I will just take a image so that I can place it here. I will take it from Unsplash random photo. Actually, string variables are the variables that are used for text or content in the design. So that's why I'm creating this card, so that I can explain you how you can use string variables in your designs. Okay, let's resize this image. Now I will auto layout this with this one. Let's add some random padding. Now I will add some right and left padding and top and bottom padding here as well, horizontal padding and vertical padding. So let's just add some random values here. It's too much. Let's keep it 42 or maybe 28 is good. Now I will add some some vertical padding as well. Let's keep it 18. Now let's add some color. So I have created this very default card here is to explain you how you can use the string variables in your designs. We can also add a button here, create a button as well. Assign a random padding to both. Now I will just add a random color, maybe yellow or something, or orange. Or maybe purple, light purple. Or just we can keep it black, simple black, and white text. Increase the size. Now I will place this here inside of this. Okay. Just a second. I'm not keeping this inside the auto layout. I will auto layout this with. Okay. Just drag the string inside the, so that you can place it inside the auto layout. Let's check this up. Now I will just click the down button to change its position, and I will assign some corner radius as well. So I have created this custom card here. Very simple. Now I will show you how you can apply string variable to this card. So for that you have to go to your local variables. Now I will create a new collection which we can call it as a content, maybe content. Now we will add a variable string. So let's assign name here. I will give it a name, title, and for value I will keep this as a flowers or something. Maybe we can give it a name, flowers. Is. Now we can add one more string variable with a name, description. Now I will add a description value here. So for that I have created this paragraph from ChatGPT. I will copy this by clicking Command plus C and I will paste it here. You can paste any amount of text here. So I will paste it here and click enter. Now I will create one more string for the button and I will give it a value, read. Now what I will do is I will apply the local variables to this text. For that select the text here. Now you will see a icon here in this panel. You can see here, and this is the apply variable icon. So click here and here you will get all your local variables that are related to content or they are string variable. So I will select the one for the title. This is the title and it will change instantly. And now I will select the description as well and click on this apply variable and apply this description variable here. See how quickly and easily it changes the content. And now I will apply to the button as well by clicking on this apply variable icon. See, now I will show you how changing the content in local variables will automatically reflect in your designs. So first of all I will take this description to show you how it changes the content in your design as well. So I will remove this line and place and click enter. Now you can see how beautifully it changes your content, and you don't have to do it manually if you are using the same content at multiple places. So that's how you apply string variables to your designs. And I hope you all guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.